Hi, I'm Tom from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be doing you a full walkthrough video on this approved used vehicle. Here we have the brilliant Toyota Yaris 1.5. It does come to us with 34,743 miles on the clock, and it is a petrol hybrid. If you are interested in this vehicle at any point during this video, please give us a call on 01204 786 586. It has had a multi-prod check covered by ourselves here at Motor Match Bolton. There's more details regarding that on our website. Here you do have your stunning 15-inch alloy wheels that really complement the exterior very nicely. You do also have your LED daytime running lights, ensuring you always have crisp visibility at night. Taking a look into the boot now, here you can see you do have plenty of space for all your weekly shopping as well as multiple suitcases. Moving into the rear now, here you can see it does come with a full leather upholstery finish with your handy seat belts just there. Moving into the front, you do have your full leather multifunction steering wheel as well as your half leather, half cloth upholstery finished front seats. Now these are extremely comfortable and you can set that perfect drive position with your lumbar supports just below. Moving over to your media display now, as you can see it does come with satellite navigation, allowing you to get to those unknown destinations as quickly and safely as possible. It does also come with FM and AM radio, so you always have a wide range of different radio stations to choose from. You can also play your favourite songs via the different media options. As you can see, it does come with a reversing camera, allowing you to get in and out of those tight narrow spaces without bumping your lovely new car. Below that you do have your climate controls, which are very easy to use, as you can see here. And it does allow the driver and the passengers to set at different temperatures to another line for maximum comfort. And then lastly you have your automatic gearbox and your manual handbrake. Here you can see this vehicle has covered 34,743 miles on the clock. RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or go for a test drive, please give us a call on 01204 786 586 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching.